everyone, this is Soumya and welcome back to Dash of Delight. Today, we are going to make a very interesting recipe which is vegetable dim sum or dumplings or vegetable momos, whatever you want to call it. So let's start off. For vegetable momos, we need to focus on two basic things. First is dough and the second is stuffing. So let's start off with the preparation of the dough first. So here I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Take it in a mixing bowl like this, and then add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil into it and half a teaspoon of salt. Now start giving everything a good dry mix. Mix it for at least 1 minute guys, as both oil and salt needs to be nicely incorporated in flour. So mix it well. And now guys, start kneading it. So here I have taken a glass of water. This is lukewarm water. Now start kneading a nice dough out of it. Remember, the dough should not be too soft. So basically, neither too soft nor too tough. So see guys, here I have made a dough out of it. And see, it's neither too soft and nor too hard. So now keep it aside and let's start off with the preparation of our stuffing. So for stuffing, I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, and once it is heated, add chopped garlic here. I have taken 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Now add green chilli. I have taken 1 green chilli. You can adjust it as per your quantity, as per your choice. And now guys, we'll start adding our vegetables. So here I have taken finely chopped onions, 1 carrot and 1/4 cabbage. So first in goes our onion. Saute it hardly for a minute guys. We need to slightly caramelize it and that's it. And now add in the carrots. So in goes our carrots. Add in all the carrots here. So guys, I have finely chopped the carrot here. If you want, you can grate it as well. And now add in the cabbage. Remember guys, the heat should be at medium to high temperature. We don't need to cook all the vegetables. Just fry them for 4 to 5 minutes on high temperature and that's it. We don't want to lose the crunch in the vegetables. So now add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Remember guys, please do not exceed the quantity of soy sauce. So now we are almost there. Add in some chopped coriander leaves. Now continuously saute it for 1 to 2 minutes guys. And now switch off the gas and then add in some salt. Be careful guys, as soy sauce as well as dough both are having salt. So just beware while adding salt. So that's it guys, our stuffing is all ready. We don't need to cook much as I said. So just take it out in a bowl and let's start off with the preparation of our dumplings. So let's see the condition of our dough guys. See, so our dough has been rested enough. So now let's start making small portions out of it. So we need to make really small balls out of the dough. See, so the ball should be of this size. Let me show you once. See, so here I've made all the balls and now let's start filling them. So here I've taken a rolling board and a rolling pin. Now take one ball and start rolling it. Remember, we need to roll it thin. Also keep in mind to roll evenly from all sides like this. So see guys how nicely I've rolled it. So see, it should be slightly transparent. Can you see? And now start stuffing it. So keep it on your hand, making a small room for the stuffing. See, like this. And now fill it with a generous amount of stuffing. Now carefully keep it down and start making small pleats. So see, make pleats from the left hand and secure them by the right one. So see carefully guys, I am making pleats. Make small pleats and start securing them like this. So this might take a little bit of practice on the very first go, but then trust me, you will not face any problem. So now flip it to the other side and then make similar pleats. Then secure the end from the top like this. Twist it a little and stick it like this. So here comes our momo like this. So similarly, I've made all the other ones. So see, here I've made all the momos. And now I've taken a stainless steel container over here and I'm greasing it with some oil. Grease it properly from all the sides like this. And now guys, allow some water to boil in a deep flat bottom skillet like this. Remember to keep the flame at medium to high temperature. And then keep the container of momos, place the lid and let it steam for around 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, it's been around 15 minutes. Now let's see. So guys, our wait is over now. Our dumplings are nicely steamed. Now take it out on a plate and enjoy it with some Schezwan sauce or chili tomato chutney or tomato ketchup, completely your choice. So try it for sure guys, they taste absolutely delicious. So friends, if you like the recipe, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be back soon. Till then, take care and love you all. Bye-bye.